Hi, first graders. Happy Monday. So Rashid and I are here today to do your Snap Words of the Week with you. And this week we're going to have 3 new words. So I'm going to show them to you and then we'll talk about our steps. So the first word is soon. The next word is after. And the last word is always. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the steps. So these are the steps that we're going to follow to make each word a snap word. So step 1 is we're going to read it. Step 2 is we're going to study it. And there's a few different things we're going to do when we study it. So we're going to clap the syllables, snap the syllables, count the syllables. Then we're going to look at the vowels and think about what sounds they make. Then we're going to look for blends and digraphs, and we're going to look for common word endings like ER, ING, S, or ES. Then step 3 is we're going to cover write and check it. And step 4 is we're going to use it in a sentence. And we're going to say the sentence out loud instead of writing down the sentence. Okay, so let's get started. Are we ready, Rashid? Okay, so the first word that we're going to study together is soon. So step 1 is read it. So let's read it together. Soon. And now we're going to study it. So first we're going to clap, snap, and count the syllables. Ready? So first let's clap it. Soon. Then let's snap it. Soon. And then we count the syllables. Soon. So this word just has 1 syllable. Now we're going to look at the vowels in the word. So you might notice that soon has the O vowel theme, right, which says ooh. Then we're going to look for blends and digraphs and common word endings, but I don't see any of those in this word. Okay, so now we're going to cover, write, and check it. So in 3 seconds, I'm going to cover the word and you're going to write it down. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. So you're writing down the word soon. Soon. And in a minute, I'll pick it back up and you can check and see if you spelled it correctly, okay? All right. And I'm going to pick it back up. Ready? Soon. S-O-O-N. Okay, so now we're going to use it in a sentence. So if you're with a family member or a parent or a sibling or anyone, you can say the sentence out loud to them, or you can just say it out loud to yourself or to me or Rashid, okay? So I'm going to say my sentence. My sentence is, I hope that I can see everyone again soon. Soon. Now you try to say your own sentence. Good. Okay. So now we're going to move on to our second word. Our second word is after. So step 1, let's read it together. After. And step 2 is study it. So we're going to clap the syllables, snap the syllables, and then count the syllables. Ready? So first let's clap it. After. And then we have to snap the syllables. After. And then we count the syllables. After. So this word has 2 syllables. So now let's look at the vowels. So I noticed that in this A in the beginning, it says the short A sound, like after. And there's also an E here, and this E is actually an R-controlled vowel, so ER says right? And ER is also one of our common word endings. Okay, so now we're going to get ready to cover, write, and check it. So take your last look, and I'm going to cover it in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. So you're writing after. You guys are doing such a great job. Okay. In just a minute, I'm going to pick it back up and then you can check your spelling. Okay. All right. So 3, 2, 1. Here it is. After. A-F-T-E-R. After. So now you're going to try to say it in a sentence. So I'm going to say my sentence. I like playing in the park after school. After. Good. All right. So now you can try it in your own sentence. And you can say your sentence to me and Rashid, or you could say your sentence to someone at home, whatever you want to do. So say a sentence with after. Okay, good job. So now I think you guys are ready for our last word. And our last word is always. So step 1, let's read it together. Always. And now we're going to study it. So we're going to clap the syllables, snap the syllables, and count the syllables. So first let's clap it. Ready? Always. And now let's snap the syllables. Always. And now we have to count the syllables. Always. So this also has 2 syllables, just like after. Okay, so now we're going to look at the vowels. So there's an A, and the A kind of makes an ah sound, like always, right? Kind of. And then also, I noticed, and this A makes a long A sound because it's a vowel team, A-Y, which says A, the long A sound. And there's also a common word ending in here, right? There's an S at the end, always. And something else I noticed is that there's a snap word in here, which is way. Okay, so now we're gonna get ready to cover, write, and check it. Okay, so in 3 seconds, I'm gonna cover up the word, and you're gonna try to write it the best you can. Okay? 3, 2, 1, and go. Good. So you're writing always. Make sure you write both parts, both syllables. You guys are doing such a good job. Okay. So now I'm going to get ready to pick the word back up, and you're going to check if you spelled it correctly, okay? So here it is. Always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. Good. And now you're going to say it in a sentence. So I'm going to say my sentence. My sentence is, I always like to go outside every day. Always. Now go ahead, try your own sentence with always. Good. Okay, you guys have done such a great job with your snap words today. And these are words that you can use in your writing. So remember, we have soon, after, and always. Thank you for practicing your snap words with us, and I hope you guys have a super great week. Bye.